How ancient knowledge answers today's questions. In a world of rapid change and instant information, we often look to the newest ideas for solutions. But what if the answers to today's biggest questions have been waiting for us for centuries? From philosophy and medicine to environmental sustainability, ancient knowledge has more to say about our modern lives than we might think. Number 1. The timeless value of ancient knowledge. For as long as humans have been able to record their thoughts, we've been leaving behind intellectual treasures. Ancient libraries, sacred texts, and early scientific treatises are not just relics. They're repositories of human trial and error, hard-earned wisdom, and universal truths. Take the library of Ashurbanipal in 7th century BCE Nineveh. Inside, clay tablets recorded medicinal recipes, astronomical observations, and even proverbs. Today, historians and scientists still study these records, not for nostalgia, but because they contain surprisingly accurate understandings of the natural world. Number 2. Ancient ideas that resonate today. Philosophy, for example, is not just an academic subject, it's a life skill. Socrates' method of questioning remains a powerful tool for problem-solving and critical thinking in classrooms and boardrooms alike. In medicine, ancient systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine have informed modern treatments. While modern science has advanced far beyond these early practices, elements such as plant-based remedies and holistic care have re-entered mainstream healthcare discussions. Even in engineering, the ancient Romans' concrete structures have inspired today's scientists to develop more sustainable, long-lasting materials, technology that could help us build greener cities. Number 3. Lessons for modern problems. One of the most pressing issues of our time is sustainability. Ancient civilizations, from the agricultural terraces of the Inca to water management in the Indus Valley, mastered techniques to live within nature's limits. Revisiting these strategies may guide us toward balancing growth with environmental care. In governance and law, the Code of Hammurabi, carved in stone nearly 4,000 years ago, laid the groundwork for the principle that laws should be public, predictable, and apply to all citizens. These ideas still underpin modern democracies. Number 4. Why ancient knowledge still works. Why does ancient knowledge remain relevant? Because while technology changes, human nature evolves more slowly. We still wrestle with ethical dilemmas, seek meaning in life, and face challenges that require both innovation and wisdom. Modern research often confirms what ancient thinkers intuited: the value of community, the importance of mental health, and the benefits of living in harmony with nature. Number 5. Bridging the past and present. Today, digitization projects are making centuries-old manuscripts available worldwide. This means anyone, student, researcher, or curious mind, can explore the lessons of the past without leaving their home. When we pair ancient wisdom with modern science, we create solutions that are both innovative and enduring. The future may well belong to those who respect the past while shaping what comes next. The next time you face a modern challenge, remember, the solution may not be new at all. Somewhere, in the ink of an old manuscript or the chisel marks of a stone tablet, someone may have already asked and answered your question. Like, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments.